Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I am going to share with you how you can fix any problem related to sound and speaker in your device Redmi A1. So if you're having any problem related to sound and speaker in Redmi A1, you can fix it by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix your sound and speaker problem in your device.